Morning students, welcome to online class. So in the last class, 3 examples completed. Example 4, example 5, example 6 completed. Write down problem number example 7. It is in page number 66. Write down problem first, very important problem. We are having 2 problems on the same model in this chapter. This is example 7 and exercise 3.3 last sum also same model. Okay na, 2 sums on the same model. This is example 7 and one more sum is there, 3.3 4th sum same model. So what is there in the problem? Read the problem 2 or 3 times to know about the problem. So verify. What to do? Verification. First part verification. What verification? 3 comma minus 1 comma minus 1 by 3 are the zeros of the polynomial or not. That is first part. So what to do in first part? Verification. What verification? 3 is a zero of the polynomial or not. Minus 1 is a zero of the polynomial or not. Minus 1 by 3 is a zero of the polynomial or not. Yes, that is first part of the polynomial is given. Later, second part of the problem, verify the relation between zeros and coefficients. Verify the relation between zeros and coefficients. So 2 parts. First part, verification of zeros. Second part, verification of relationship between zeros and coefficients. Okay na? So 2 parts. Solution. What is given? Given P of x equal to 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11x minus 3. Okay na? So, what is the degree here? Degree is 3. What is the degree? Degree is 3. So, can you name it? It is a cubic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 3 is known as cubic polynomial. It is a cubic polynomial. It is a cubic polynomial. And I told you in introduction, and it has at most, what is at most? Maximum. What is the meaning of at most? Maximum 3 zeros. 3 factors. Zeros are nothing but factors. Okay na? So it is a cubic polynomial and it has at most 3 zeros. Then first part of the problem. What is the first part of the problem? We need to verify 3 is a zero of the polynomial or not. Minus 1 is a zero of the polynomial or not. Minus 1 by 3 is a zero of the polynomial or not. First, we will do verification for 3. P of 3. What is the meaning of P of 3? Replace x with 3. X is there. Everywhere write 3 for x. So, suppose this is 3. X is here. Write 3. X value 3. In the place of x, write 3. Minus 5 into 3 whole square minus 11 into 3 minus 3. So wherever x is there you write 3. That is P of 3. See clearly 3. This is how much? 3 cube. What is 3 cube? 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, but not 9. 3 cube value 27. 3 into 3 into 3. It is 27 minus 5. 3 square. What is 3 square? 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, but not 6. 9 minus 11 into 3 minus 3. Okay na? So, what is 3 cube value? 27. What is 3 square value? 9. Then 3 into 27, 81 minus 5 9s are 45 minus 11 3s are 33 minus 3. Okay na? 3 into 27. 81. 5 9s are 45. 11 3s are 33 minus 3. 81 minus, add all the negative numbers. 3 negative numbers are there. 45, 33, 3. Together 81. So what we get? 0. Tick it. Getting 0 means tick it. So first verification I am doing for 3. P of 3. Write 3 everywhere. 3 cube 27. 3 square 9. 3 into 27 81. 5 9s are 45. 11 3s are 33. Add all the negative numbers. 81 minus 81, we get 0. First one okay. Then you go for second one. Second one is what? Second one is what? Minus 1 verification. What is the second one? Second one is what? Minus 1 verification. P of minus 1. Second one, P of minus 1. Right? Write minus 1 everywhere. Write minus 1 everywhere. So 3 minus 1 whole cube minus 5 minus 1 whole square minus 11 into minus 1 minus 3. So write minus 1 everywhere. Then 3. What is minus 1 whole cube? Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Minus into minus plus. Plus into minus minus. 1 into 1 into 1. Minus 1. So what we get? Minus 1. Next to minus 5. Minus 1 whole square. Minus 1 into minus 1. Plus 1. So it is plus minus 11 into minus 1 minus 3. 3 into minus 1. Let us multiply. 3 into minus 1. So 3 into minus 1 how much? Minus 3. 5 1 5. Minus into minus. Minus into minus plus. 11 1 11 minus 3. Okay now. So minus 1 whole cube minus 1. Minus 1 whole square plus 1 remaining same. 3 into minus 1 minus 3. 5 1 5 minus into minus plus 11 1 11. Pick all the negative numbers. Minus 11 plus 11. What we get? 0. Tick it. So second one also okay. Then you go for third one. So we are doing verification. May or may not. But here first two okay. Then check for third one. Third one is what? Third one. P of minus 1 by 3. Third one is what? P of minus 1 by 3. Now write minus 1 by 3 everywhere. Okay na? 3 minus 1 by 3 whole cube. Then minus 5 minus 1 by 3 whole square. Minus 11 into minus 1 by 3 minus 3. So write minus 1 everywhere. First one minus 1 whole cube. Second one minus 1 by 3 whole square. Next one minus 1 by 3. 3 bracket. What is minus 1 by 3 whole cube? Minus 1 by 3 into minus 1 by 3 into minus 1 by 3. Minus into minus plus. Plus into minus minus. 1 into 1 into 1. 1. 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. So what we get? Minus 1 by 27. Then minus 5. Minus 1 by 3 whole square. Minus 1 by 3 into minus 1 by 3. Minus into minus plus. 1 1s are 1. 3 3s are 9. So what we get? It is plus 1 by 9 but not minus. Remaining same. Minus 11 into minus 1 by 3 minus 3. So write minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3 whole cube. Minus 1 by 27. Minus 1 by 3 whole square. 1 by 9. Remaining same. Then next step is what? See the cancellation. See for cancellation. 3 cancel. 27 cancel 9 times. I think no more cancellation. What is left? First one minus 1 by 9 minus 1 by 9. Second one minus 500 5 by 9. 5 into 1 5 minus into minus plus 11 into 1 11 by 3 minus 3 we can write by 1. What is left? Minus 1 by 9 500 5 by 9 minus into minus plus 11 by 3 plus minus 3 by 1. LCM 9 9 3 1. LCM how much? 9. LCM is 9. 10. 9 9 you know one time. LCM you know. What is the numerator? Minus 1. 9 9 one time. What is the numerator? Minus 5. 9 3 3 times. What is the numerator? 11. 3 11 are 33. 9 1 9 times. What is the numerator? 3. 9 3 are 27. Add all the negative numbers. Minus 1, minus 5, minus 27. How much? Minus 33. Plus 33 by 9. Add all the negative numbers. We get minus 33 plus 33 by 9. LCM 9. 9 9 one time. Same numerator minus 1. 9 9 one time. Same numerator minus 5. 9 3. 3 times. Numerator 11. 3 11 are 33. 9 1 9 times. 9 3s are 27. Add all the negative numbers. Minus 33 plus 33. Both cancel. 0 by 9 equal to 0. So all three okay. All three okay. So what we get? P of 3. Here P of 3 equal to 0. P of minus 1. First one P of 3 equal to 0. P of minus 1 equal to 0. P of minus 1 by 3 equal to 0. So everywhere you are getting 0. Therefore 3 comma minus 1 comma minus 1 by 3 are zeros of P of x. 3 comma minus 1 comma minus 1 by 3 are zeros of P of x. Then we will do verification, the relation between zeros and coefficients. Problem continue. Let us take the first zero as alpha, second one as beta, third one as gamma. Let alpha 3, beta minus 1, gamma minus 1 by 3. Verification. So verification of the relation between zeros and coefficients. Verification of the relation between zeros and coefficients. What is alpha? 3, because we are getting 0 for 3. What is beta? Minus 1, because we are getting 0 for minus 1. What is gamma? Minus 1 by 3. There also we are getting 0. So alpha 3, beta minus 1, gamma minus 1 by 3. Okay now. Verification. Coefficients. What is A value? So what is A value? 3. Coefficients. What is B value? Minus 5. What is C value? Minus 11. What is D value? Minus 3. A value 3, B value minus 5, C value minus 11, D value minus 3. So A, B, C, D, they are nothing but coefficients. Alpha, beta, gamma, they are nothing but zeros. Observe the difference. These are zeros. And these are coefficients. So both are different. Zeros, coefficients. Alpha, beta, gamma are zeros. A, B, C, D are coefficients. Okay na? Then alpha plus beta plus gamma. Alpha plus beta plus gamma. What is alpha? 3. Plus what is beta? Minus 1. Plus what is gamma? Minus 1 by 3. alpha plus beta plus gamma. What is alpha? 3 plus what is beta? Minus 1 plus what is gamma? Minus 1 by 3. 3 plus into minus, minus 1 plus into minus, minus 1 by 3. 3 minus 1 how much? 2 minus 1 by 3. Here by 1. LCM how much? 3. 3 1 table 3 times. 3 2s are 6. 3 3 table 1 time. 1 1s are 1. So what we get? 5 by 3. What we get? 5 by 3. How to write 5? Minus of minus 5. 5 can be written as minus of minus 5. First minus same. What is minus 5? B. What is 3? A. So, what is alpha plus beta plus gamma? Alpha 3 plus beta minus 1 plus gamma minus 1 by 3 plus into minus minus plus into minus minus 3 minus 1 2 LCM 3. What we get? 5 by 3. 5 can be written as minus of minus 5 by 3. First minus same. Second minus 5 nothing but B by what is A value? 3. So next alpha into beta into gamma. Alpha into beta into gamma. Alpha 3 into beta. Beta how much? Minus 1 into gamma minus 1 by 3. Alpha into beta into gamma. 3 into minus 1 into minus 1 by 3. 3 3 cancel. What we get? Okay na? So what we get? Minus into minus plus 1. What we get? Plus 1. How to write 1? Minus of minus 3 by 3. Because 3 3 cancel we get 1. So 1 can be written as minus of minus 3 by 3. So for our convenience we are writing 1 as minus of minus 3 by 3. Minus into minus plus you know. First minus same. Minus 3 is nothing but D. D by 3 is nothing but A. So minus D by A. Alpha into beta into gamma. 3 into minus 1 into minus 1 by 3. 3 3 cancel. What we get? Plus 1. How to write plus 1? Minus of minus 3 by 3. Because 3 3 cancel we get 1. First minus same. Second one minus 3 is there. It is nothing but D. 3 is nothing but A. Minus D by A. Third one alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma. First alpha into beta. Alpha into alpha 3 into beta minus 1 plus beta into gamma. Beta minus 1 into gamma minus 1 by 3 plus alpha into gamma. Alpha 3 into beta gamma minus 1 by 3. Alpha into beta plus beta into gamma plus alpha into gamma. So last. So what we get? So 3 into minus 1 minus 3. 3 into minus 1 minus 3. Minus into minus plus 1 into 1 1 by 3 plus into minus minus 3 3 cancel. What we get? 1. Okay na? So next here minus 3. Last minus 1 we get minus 4. Minus 4 plus 1 by 3. Here by 1. Let us take LCM. How much? 3. 3 1 table 3 times. 3 4s are 12. 3 3 table 1 time we get 1. Subtract minus 11 by 3. What is minus 11? C. What is 3? A. Okay na? So alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma. Alpha beta 3 into minus 1 plus beta gamma minus 1 into minus 1 by 3 plus alpha gamma 3 into minus 1 by 3. First one 3 into minus 1 minus 3. Okay na? Then minus into minus plus 1 by 3. Last 3 cancel, we get minus 1. Starting minus 3, ending minus 1, we get minus 4 plus 1 by 3. LCM is 3. 3 1 table 3 times 3 4s are 12. 3 3 table 1 time 1. Subtract minus 11 by 3. What is minus 11? C. What is 3? A. Okay na? So in the next class we see the remaining problems. Thank you students.